North Sheen, Mortlake, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Vauxhall, and London Waterloo.
That'd be so funny.
That would be hilarious.
Done. Text the British Transport Police on 61016.
So slow.
We'll sort it. See it, say it,
Bye, Shepperton.
sort
And
it.
that's your last 707 from Shepperton.
That is our last
Last time I come to
Richmond, Galway, Twickenham, St Margaret's, Richmond, North Sheen, Mortlake, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Vauxhall and London Waterloo, arriving into London for 1941 this evening. Please take a moment to acquaint yourself with the safety information displayed above the doorways in each coach, and please try to keep all personal items with you or in sight whilst on board and at our stations. My name's Joe, I'll be your guide for the journey, currently in coach number 6 of this 10-car train. You'll find me on the platform at all stations. The last day of these trains in service on the Southwestern Railway network. The Class 707 have served us since 2017, but they're going on to pastures new with Southeastern. They'll be replaced in the coming months with our new Arterio fleet. Our next station in around 14 minutes' time will be Twickenham.
On the AB377.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next stop
London Waterloo change for London Underground services and Southeastern services from Waterloo East. As you may be able to tell from the convivial atmosphere on board, this is the penultimate arrival of one of these trains into London Waterloo. The Class 707 has served us for the last 6 years. It's going on to pastures new with Southeastern to be replaced in the coming months with our new Arterio fleet. Whether you came specially to see these trains off, or whether you're just making your way into London for the evening, we hope you've had a pleasant journey with us. We do wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. This is London Waterloo, our final stop. All change.
There's no such thing as an Arterio.